गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। आज हम बायोटिक एजेंट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे एंड इन प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव completed about abiotic agents. See here, animals as a pollinating agent such as bees, butterflies, flies, beetles, wasp, ant, moth and birds such as sunbirds and hummingbirds. These are mentioned in the NCERT and you need to study these all. Okay, next, bees are the dominant biotic pollinating agent. This is also mentioned in the NCERT and you have to read all the minor lines which are mentioned in the NCERT because they are very important in the need point of view. Okay, next is larger animals such as primate. It is also known as legumer. Then you can able to remember this by pul. Pul song you know, right? पल पल जीना मुहाल मेरा तेरे बिना ये सारे, right? You can able to remember this by pulpal song. P, primates and L, lemur. Next, arboreal. It is also known as tree dwelling and you can able to remember this by anthem. A for arboreal and T for tree dwelling. Rodents and you can able to remember it by rowdies. See here, R and DD. Next, reptile. Reptile is also known as record lizard and garden lizard and you can able to remember this by another song that is known as अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे, right? You can able to remember this by रंग दे song. And next is insect pollination. Some character features of insect pollination flower. The flowers are large, fragrant and rich in honey or nectar. The flower should be large and it's produce some fragrance and it contains some honey or the nectar so that the insects will come and extract the nectar from them, right? So the flower should contain these features to attract the insects. It should be beautifully colored to attract the insects. Very good. See here, the flower petal should be beautifully colored so that insect get attracted towards it. Next one is, normally insect lay egg inside the ovarian locule, considering the safest place. For example, yucca and moth cannot complete their life cycle without each other, right? So here is example given in the NCERT that yucca and moth. Here you can able to see the diagram. This is yucca, right? And this is moth. Yucca consider that the ovarian locule of the ovary is the safest place to lay the egg. So moth lay egg in the locule of the ovary. On which plant? Yucca plant. So it consider the safest place. Okay, and they cannot complete their life cycle without each other. Next, but some pollinator which collect nectar but does not help in pollination is called as nectar robber. Nectar robber is nothing but for example, if some insects visit the plant, it collect the nectar from that plant but it doesn't help in any pollination. So that insects are considered as nectar robber. Then next is, there is some small note, that is beetle and flies, they get attracted towards fall smell. It is nothing but a beetle and flies, they both get attracted towards the fall smell. It is also mentioned in the NCERT, so study well. Okay, pollination by plants. It is commonly seen in the plant Amorphophallus. It produces flower at 6 feet height. It is mentioned in the NCERT also. Amorphophallus is a plant which produces the flower at 6 feet height. Right? Here is it is the rough diagram. 6 feet height, it is producing some flowers. So here sunbirds and hummingbirds normally reach this flower and help in pollination. Here which bird will help in pollination? Basically sunbird and hummingbird help in pollination in Amorphophallus, which is 6 feet at height. The last one is, the most determinant biotic agents are beetle and bees, right? You also need to remember this. From here the biotic agents is completed, and after reading this, after watching the video, you have to read the NCERT, right? Then if you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment down. If any changes are required, then please comment it down. I will modify. Thank you.